So I'm going to give you a couple ways to breathe that will help you to be able to focus. And so let me share with you that there are many, many different types of this. There's the Wim Hof breathing method that we already kind of mentioned. I can explain a little bit of some of these in a sec. There's holotropic, where basically you start really, really slow at breathing and you build up pretty fast. There's the shamanic breathing method. There's a rebirthing breathing method. And there's a pranayama, I think it's called pranayama breathing method. There's a somatic breathing method. There's a transformational breathing method. And they're all kind of different. Like, for example, the transformational is you're on your back and you do it for a whole hour. The somatic, you can do it shorter. You can do 30 breaths and then hold your breath for a little while and then do 30 more breaths, and then there's the, pranamaya. Basically random. There's 3 different ways to do that. You can plug one of your nostrils and then breathe out of the other one. So you plug one and while you breathe in, plug the other one while you breathe out. There's another one where you do the ocean breathing for the, I wish I could pronounce this better. Pranayama. I can't even say it. That's embarrassing. But the point is, it's interesting because there's so many different types. And one of them, you basically create the ocean where you basically sound like an ocean when you breathe. And then another one is you plug your ears and you breathe in and then you'll hum. You'll literally hum. And so all of these different types do different things. The holotropic, you start slow, then you build up. The shamanic does a little bit differently. And some of these are more on the parasympathetic and others are on the sympathetic, which means some of these give you a boost of energy and cognition, while the others let you slow down and get into the moment. Hopefully that's making sense for you. And another random thing is there's this thing called controlled pause. So there's this controlled pause where you just, after practicing this breathing, you figure out how many seconds you can hold your breath while all of your air is out. So think about it like this. Some of these breathwork types, some of them, you're lying on your back. Others, you're sitting up. Now, most likely, you're not going to want to be in water where you could drown, or standing up where you could pass out and fall down. You want to either already be on your back, or you might want to be sitting up, depending on which one. So some are on your back, some are sitting down. Some you breathe with your mouth, and others you breathe with your nose. And even still, others you'll breathe with your mouth and your nose, or your nose in and your mouth out. But the point is, others you breathe through your upper lungs, your chest, and while some of the others you breathe through your diaphragm, where it's a little bit bigger. And these will give you different results. Some you pause hold your breath while the breath is in. Some you pause while the breath is out. Some you breathe really, really, really fast. And some you breathe really slow.